freaking love this hair. It is so nice. This was a braided wig from Amazon. It's lightweight, it's very pretty, quick and easy to install. Like, I did have to cut a little piece right here, but that's okay. But besides that, everything was perfect. And I think I want my natural hair to be braided like this during the summertime. This is really pretty. This is like long braids with goddess curls, which is beautiful. And I love it. Super lightweight. So if you guys like this, keep watching. So here is the wig straight out of the packaging. It was double wefted and I did cut the front a little bit. I love how neatly the braids were in the goddess curls. The unit was very lightweight. So I did, you see that little line of demarcation in front? I did cut that part before I applied the wig on. And now you see me cutting the ear tabs. This unit was very easy and quick to install, like literally. You can't bleach the knots, of course, but I just made sure that I had a nude cap underneath, and then I put my foundation powder underneath as well so it could blend more to my skin tone. So here I'm just going to use my Wonderlace spray, and I'm going to do 2 coats. So now I'm just touching up the little areas and respraying the corners to make sure everything is adhered. And I'm just using the back of my tweezers and pushing down and make sure everything is, you know, perfect. Now I'm gonna go in with the baby hairs. I'm using the Gorilla Glue gel and I'm just slicking it down. So here I'm just making the part a little more darker, so I'm using my root touch up and just kind of going over those areas to make the box look a little better and look a little more natural. Shawty, you were trying to run on me. I've been going on my own. I really love how versatile this unit was. Like, you could put it to the side, you could put it up in a ponytail, you could put it in so many different ways, and I really love that about this wig. Here's how I did it to the side, and then I kind of end up putting it in a ponytail, which was cute. That was my favorite look, like this. I really like that little half up, half down. It showed the curls a little bit better. And then I also try to do like a little swoop, as you will see in the next clips. But yeah, this was such a cute unit. Like, I really love how cute it was. The length was like maybe, I would say about 28 inches. It did come all the way down to my back, and it did not feel heavy whatsoever. It felt super lightweight. So here you see me doing a little swoop and putting it to the side, I'm sorry. And yeah, it looked really nice. It looked really cute. And so this is how it looks just straight down. I just preferred it half up, half down. That was my favorite look, like this. So I just kept it like that, even with the two little pieces in the front, like a little bang. Super cute. I really like it. I really want my natural hair to look like this. So during the summertime, I will be getting my hair like this. See, I'm smiling. If you like this video, I have other videos, so just click and you see the next one. Bye.